Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be opening up the last tin of the Tag Team GX box today. And then afterwards, on another day, I'll probably be doing the Hatterini V box that I have right here on my left. There it is. And the another video, I'll probably be doing the Vivid Voltage one also. But anyway, so let's get started and do this quickly if I can. Hopefully this one has something decent for me, because the other ones, I mean, they had the promo cards and everything, but nothing all too well for that collection. Anyways, look, this is the tin right here, the art. I don't think I really showed you guys on the other videos of the other ones. Okay, here's the card, the tag team thing. There it is. Okay, let's open it up. You get a closer view to this card right here. Okay, it's probably like the best looking card out of the three. Oh, besides the Eevee one, I actually like that one. Here's the Pikachu and ZEKROM GX. Really nice. Put it in the sleeve real quick. Actually got these sleeves on the Eternatus Elite Trainer box that I opened up when I wasn't making videos. I probably should have recorded a lot of these boxes that I bought, but I never did. I was second guessing myself. Here's the code for the card. Okay, so we're going to start off with Crimson Invasion. Actually, I made a mess of this one. Oh wow. Okay, code. There it is. Hopefully it's not too fast. Okay, I'm gonna do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy card. Dark energy, I think. Don't get me wrong. Okay. Okay. Devoured Field. Fighting Memory. Alaron. Cacnea. Bunnelby. Shallows. This looks exactly like the one I had before. Weedle. Execute. Alolan Geodude. Oh, I was tripping out on this when I was playing the Pokemon Shield game. An electric Geodude. Who would I guessed? And it's stuck. Whoa, it's like super stuck. Oh, there you go. And whoa. I think it's a secret, right? It should be a secret. There it is. 124, 111. A secret water energy card. From what pack? Crimson Invasion. Wow, this is nice. Super nice. I haven't got one of these. My sister-in-law got one the other day, but I didn't. Wow, this is super nice. Wow. Okay, well, this is good. I was just saying that I haven't got nothing good out of these packs. Oh, changed my mind. I mean, it's good for me. I don't know if it's really worth all that much. I'll probably look it up after the video. Anyways, let's start the next pack. Burning Shadows. Wouldn't it be crazy if all of them came out with secret rares? Okay. Here's the code. There it went. On count of 4. Damn, all these had like really bad corners. Majority of the cards on these tins. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. And energy card. We get a Rhydon, a Lunatone, Seadra, Sneasel, Charmander, Crabrawler, Meowth, Stuffle, and a Alolan Grimer, and a Malamar. There you go. Oh, there went the idea. All secrets, right? Still, really good. A really good card for me to get. Okay, next is a regular Sun and Moon pack. Let's open this up. Alright, so let's open this up. Here it is. I don't know why my camera said I had maximum recording, so I did a second one. I'm probably just gonna join it together. Don't mind me. I'm new to this, so I'm learning as I go. Anyways, hopefully it doesn't do that again. Here's the Pokemon code. There it goes. Oh. Crazy. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the energy. Dark energy. Let's start this. Krokorok with the cool shade glasses. Araquanid. That's weird. Xpshare. Cutiefly. Drowsy. Growlithe. Torkoal. Zubat. Morlo, and a Solgaleo GX card. Damn, this thing looks amazing. Look at that. Let me know if I'm actually holding these cards right or not. I don't want you guys to go crazy or anything like that. Alright, let's leave this one up too. Wow, man. 2 good cards for me. Okay. Alright, so last pack. Pokemon Evolutions. Let's make it 3. Please. Alright. Damn, this one went crazy too. I'm bad at this. Okay. Gotta get rid of this corner. There we go. This is the 3rd time this has happened where the code comes out in the front. Is that the XY packs or what is it? I don't know. Let me know. Anyways, for the 3rd time, there it is. Okay, so like I said, I don't know exactly how these go, so I'm just gonna take them as it goes like this. Okay, Rattata, Weedle, Voltorb, Poliwag, Ghastly, Brock's Grit, Reverse Holo, Raticate, Blastoise Spirit Link, a Switch Trainer card, and a Machoke. Alright then. So, all the packs right there. Got 2 really good cards for me. There they are. Solgaleo GX and a secret energy card. I don't think this was a secret. 143 out of 149, but still 2 good cards. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. If you guys like, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be opening up the other packs on another day. Alright, thanks guys. Later.